Tropical Depression Agaton maintains its strength and speed as it moves over southern Negros Oriental early Tuesday morning. Agaton made landfall in the Dinagat Islands, Siargao Island area earlier the same day. State Weather Bureau Pag-asa says Agaton is already in the vicinity of Bae City, Negros Oriental, still moving west at 25 kilometers per hour. There are no more areas in Mindanao under a warning signal, but signal number 1 is still raised over the following provinces: Palawan, including Cuyo Island, Bohol, Cebu, Siquijor, Guimaras, Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, Southern Antique, Southern Iloilo. Sea travel is suspended in areas under signal number 1. Pag-asa also warns the public to stay on alert for possible flash floods and landslides. The Philippine Coast Guard says more than 3,000 passengers are stranded at various ports, most of them in northern Mindanao and central Visayas. Based on its latest forecast track, Agaton will leave the Philippine area of responsibility between Wednesday night and Thursday morning.